Katy Perry to receive $1.8 million payout from dying veteran 85, in years-long battle over Montecito mansion. Katy Perry has scored a major victory in her long, messy legal war over the Montecito, California, mansion she bought more than 5 years ago. Carl Westcott, an 85-year-old disabled veteran and the former owner of the property, has been ordered to cough up $1.84 million after a judge ruled the pop star lost out on hefty rental income during the drawn-out fight per people. The dispute centered on the $15 million estate Perry, 41, and her ex, Orlando Bloom, 48, snapped up in one of California's most elite neighborhoods back in July 2020. Just days after signing the contract, Westcott tried to pull the plug. He claimed he had been recovering from major back surgery and was under heavy medication that left him too impaired to understand what he was signing. He also pointed to Huntington's disease, the pre-existing neurological condition he was diagnosed with in 2015, as further proof that he lacked the capacity to approve the multimillion-dollar sale. Perry and Bloom's team, however, fired back and insisted the deal was valid and that Westcott had been fully aware of what he agreed to. The superstar's business manager further argued Westcott had seller's remorse after realizing he could have received more money for the property in a fast-climbing market. A judge eventually sided with Perry, ruling that Westcott was coherent, engaged, lucid and rational at the time he authorized the sale. With that decision, the court shut down his attempt to rescind the deal, although the case still didn't end there. Once the sale was officially upheld and Perry finally secured title to the mansion in May 2024, she turned around and sued for damages on November 21, 2025. The fireworks singer argued that the years-long delay prevented her from renting out the property, which she said could have brought in millions. She also claimed that the home fell into disrepair during the dispute, which created a long list of costly fixes. Perry initially sought nearly $5 million from Westcott, combining what she said was more than $3.5 million in lost rental income and more than $1.3 million in needed repairs. After reviewing months of financial documents, property assessments and expert testimony, the judge agreed she was owed money, although not the full amount she initially demanded. In the final ruling, the judge awarded Perry roughly $1.84 million, which was made up of a calculated rental value loss minus offsets for retained capital and interest, plus an approved repair cost amount per people. The mansion at the center of the controversy, meanwhile, sits on a 2.5-acre property and includes 8 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, multiple guest spaces, ocean views, manicured grounds, an infinity pool, a jacuzzi and plenty of privacy. Though Perry and Bloom gained legal control of the compound months ago, it remains unclear whether they ever moved in before splitting up in June 2025.